for you now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a power hour nap time. My youngest is down for her first nap of the day, and I just have a few things that I want to get done that are a little bit easier when you only have one kid awake. So my oldest is up there on the couch. She is doing a little bit of quiet time on the iPad right now, and I have a couple things I want to get done. I kind of want to at least clean the floors in my kitchen, laundry room, and dining room. I have a whole bunch of laundry that I'd like to put away, a load of laundry that I need to fold, and I really want to dust my TV console over there just because it's a little bit dusty. Don't know where it all came from, but today I realized it's got to be cleaned. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started before this hour is up and she's awake, so let's get to it. Also, today's video is in collab with my good friend I met here on YouTube. Her name is Christina Depino. I hope I said her last name right. I am not good with last names at all, but she is so nice. You guys will love her. If you love my videos, you will love watching hers. She also has 2 little girls. She does a lot of cleaning and mommy and lifestyle videos, and pop on over after this video is over and go check out her videos. She is also doing a nap time power hour, and tell her I sent you.
I don't really care, yeah. I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. Just boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So to start out, I started out with wiping down this table because I'm going to take all these chairs, put them on top of the table. That way I can get a really good clean underneath our dining room table. I really have been slacking on cleaning our floors lately, and I really want to keep up on it because Chloe is crawling and she doesn't just stay to the rug anymore. She is literally all over the place. So I am going to clean this floor. That is like the #1 thing that I must get done before she wakes up.
I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business.
So back in our old house, I used to do this all the time. I used to put the chairs on top of the table, run the Roomba, and leave the house and go to the gym. And I could not figure out how to get all these chairs up on the table without one falling. You will see that here in a minute. I have no clue what I used to do. Maybe I didn't put them all up there, but the ones that have a rounded back, they actually don't sit up there upside down like the other ones. So I ended up just putting the other chair in the living room and calling it a day. I spent way too much time on just trying to figure out how to get the chairs on top of the table.
It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So when it comes to mopping my floors, I usually have 2 different machines that I go back and forth from, and it's either my Crosswave, which I am using today, or it is my Shark steam mop. And if I feel like I need a really good clean, I use the Crosswave because it does pick up hair and scrubs the floor really well. So I always feel like if I didn't do a great job sweeping, at least the Crosswave is going to pick up all that extra hair. I highly recommend this for you guys. Like, if you have tile, wooden floors, it is great, and it actually is meant to go on like rugs, not full out carpet, which I have actually done spot cleans on carpet and it's worked just fine, but I've cleaned my rugs with this and it works really good.
You cry yourself to sleep and you're colder much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that.
Also, I'm also curious, what cleaning products do you guys use on your floors, and what floors do you have? I always use the Thieves Cleaner, which I love, and I know that it is safe for Chloe. I love the smell of Arm & Hammer, or whatever it's called, like with the bald guy on it, in the like light blue scent, but I know that has a really, really bad rating, and it's not good for you at all. But what do you guys use? I'm trying to find something that's like not completely horrible for you. I did find this new brand that I found at a health food store the other day, and I will be showing you that in my next video, but I don't know what I think about it yet.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are.
Next thing that I needed to get done on my list was to put all this laundry away. My husband had actually started all the laundry last night and then folded it all before he went to work. So all I had to do was put everything away, and thank God he did that, because I would have not gotten all that done today.
Know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say.
And you're probably wondering why I am unfolding these shirts and then putting hangers on them. Like, why did you fold them in the first place? I honestly don't have a good answer for you, because we do not really have a laundry routine, and he folds everything and puts it in drawers. I hang everything, and we just recently got these new like black velvet hangers, and I love them. I highly recommend them, but I used to do this method where I laid all the shirts out and like quickly threw the hangers on really fast. You can't do that with the black velvet ones because they stick to your shirt, and it kind of makes it a little bit harder.
Break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
This was a load that he started right before he left this morning, and I don't know about you guys, but we do have a very small laundry basket in our laundry room at all times. If we ever have something that's dirty, we just kind of toss it in there, and sometimes if everything's washed and we need something that's in that little basket, we just do a random load of everything that's in that basket, and that's exactly what this is.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn.
So there you guys go. I got all 3 of my things done. Chloe is still napping. Emma is now watching The Lion King. She's got her monkey. You're so happy, aren't you? And I'm gonna take my contacts out and I'm gonna lay down for a minute, because whatever is in the air is making my eyes burn. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more power hours during nap time, or just power hours in general, hit the subscribe button and hit either the like button or the dislike button to let me know if you like this or not. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.